everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, hi, I'm SUA and I'm here to make your day. So for today's video, after a really long time, we're going to be doing a cooking video. And as you have read by the title, we are making a pizza from scratch. So this recipe isn't mine alone. I took help from my younger cousin sister. So she's a lot into cooking and she loves cooking. So she gave me this recipe and she helped me in the kitchen as well. So yeah, the pizzas we made were from scratch. We made the base at home and also we did the toppings as well at home. Usually people don't make the base at home. They get the base from outside and just do the topping part and bake the pizza and then it's done. But here we made the base and also made the full pizza. So yeah, that's what we're gonna do in today's video and let's get started. So first add half a glass of lukewarm water, a half teaspoon sugar and half tablespoon all-purpose flour in a bowl and mix it properly so that the lumps are not visible. Now add 1.5 teaspoon dry yeast and mix it thoroughly with the previously made solution. Also see to it that lumps are dissolved properly. After the mixing is done, cover it and leave it to rest for 15 to 20 minutes so that the yeast gets activated. After 20 minutes, add 2 small balls of all-purpose flour and salt to taste and keep mixing by adding water little by little. If the dough gets too sticky, add some more flour to get it to a dough type consistency. After it's done, transfer it to a plate and knead the dough properly so that the sticky texture is no more felt. Keep adding the flour to nullify the stickiness. Then oil the bowl and the dough and let it rest for an hour so that the dough rises. Cover the container with airtight film so that the dough rises properly. So this is the time lapse of the dough rising. Now cut all the toppings you want on the pizza and keep it aside. Here I'm also including paneer as my topping, so I'm gonna saute the paneer with chopped chili and also some turmeric powder, chili powder and some salt so that there is flavor in the paneer. Keep the sauteed paneer aside and let it cool down for some time. So after the dough is ready, you make it into portions for how many ever base is required and roll it and make it into a circular base. Also you need to prepare the baking pan and grease it with oil, and you can add foil on the baking tray as well and then oil it and then add little flour as well. Place the flattened pizza base on the baking tray and poke holes using a fork. Then pinch the edges of the base so as to make it like a plate, and then brush some milk to the edges so that the crust doesn't become hard. Then start adding the pizza sauce and the cheese. You can use mozzarella as well. We didn't have that at home, so use cheese slices and then add your desired toppings. Repeat the same for how many ever pizza bases you want to bake. Then preheat the oven for 220 degrees Celsius for 15 minutes and bake the pizzas for 20 to 30 minutes. Keep checking the pizzas every 10 minutes so that the base does not burn. So yes, that is it for this video, and I will attach the picture of the full pizza in the next clip. So this pizza which we made, it turned out really nice. It turned out really soft and really tasty. I felt it's a lengthy process, but it's a very easy process. So the batter takes some time to rise and it takes some time to ferment and all that. But overall it was a very easy and very simple process. So I hope you liked this video and I hope you enjoyed the cooking session of this video. If you did like this video, please give it a big thumbs up and also please subscribe to my channel. Let me know in the comment below if you want more such cooking videos, and if you want me to try out something else, please let me know in the comments as well. So yeah, that is it for this video. Thank you for watching. I'll see you again in another video. Bye.